ওয়েল ফ্রেন্ডস, মনে হয় আমি একটা সুপার ডুপার মেথড পেয়ে গেছি কিভাবে ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল এক্সপ্রেশন ব্লেন্ডারে নিয়ে আসতে পারি। সো এর জন্য আমাকে হেল্প করছে এই ওয়েবসাইটটা, অ্যান্ড যেটা এখান থেকে আমি পাইছি। সো এই যে এখান থেকে, ওকে, সো লেট মি ডু দিস। I mean, okay, first আমার এইটা যেতে পারছি, বাট যে because of the reason that I do not know very much this syntax, because latex one kind of language to write things, expression, mathematical expression in computer. So I can use this like my interpreter. So come over here in GeoGebra Classic, then uh, select this one, click, then math formula, then you can use this. So how to write power 2? Let me, okay, so I was thinking that it was easy, but it is not. Okay, so that it's like you have to use this symbol, perfect, but it is not easy that you use only this, maybe. Oh, oh, okay, so perfect. Now let me copy these things, okay, in here, just below this one. I think it were, oh, okay, so for some reason I think okay, so that I think this is the thing. uh this one I will make y, so I can, okay, so if you put inside, maybe it is not more, no more necessary. No, yeah, wonderful. In this way, the bad thing is this, the bad side of this is that you will always need these things. Okay, so that is the bad side. You try, I mean you will need always this one. I think this is something that I do not know how to use it. I have no idea. Start now. Maybe this is no idea. Okay, let me see. Well, now that I have opened Blender, just let me try import. Okay, Perfect. I think each and every things are first of all let me do something like extrude in which direction. Okay, now convert somewhere. Okay, what the hell is this? Okay, now copy, copy, link data, link data, copy modifier. Okay, what is this? Perfect. Okay, okay, so this is our way, but I could use positioning. Okay, so I think it's okay. Thank you. Now you know how to use SVG file to write mathematical expression, and it's a good thing. So have fun. Thank you.